Over 2, Bob Dureski was on duty. The armory is coded to his handprint. You need to find him. Comms have been dark since the attack, and we all know what that usually means. Good luck out there. Coach out.
God, they stink! That feels good.
Smithy is reporting unusual written activity at the edge of town. They seem to be swarming in extremely large numbers. When we know more, we'll let you know.
No! We're on the same side!
Ugly's ahead!
Need to reload. You hear that noise? Wonder if there's any soda in here. Ooh, shiny!
Good news on a change of fortune.
That's one hell of a hole. You think that's where they came from? This is too close to home.
Priorities. Take out the nest and find Bob. What's left of him.
Lucky me.
Stun gun here.
Need to find the rest of them.
Where are you guys? Do I smell or something?
One pod left.
We've got to find Bob.
Where'd this shit come from? It's everywhere!
Well, that was gross. Well, I found bits of Bob.
Careful! Lot of raw sewage here, and God knows what else.
Cool. Whoa, what's in here? Never thought there'd be a thing as too much attention. Reloading!
You trying to kill me?
I have to do this. Might as well do it now. Save that for me.
I'm ready. You ready? Hear that?
Patrol is reporting a large pack of Britain heading to the station. Our perimeter has been compromised. We need those weapons. Remember, securing the armory is your primary objective.
Shoot the head! Is it just me, or are these things getting bigger? I don't like the look of this. I mean, I didn't like the look of the last one, but I like the look of this one even less.
We're not seeing the big picture. Pods left.
Over 2, do you read? Unusually large numbers of Britain approaching your location.
isn't it. We need to keep looking.
Oh yeah! Watch your footing.
Engaging.
Need to finish them off and fast.
Still alive! And with all my limbs!
Not done yet.
That doesn't look right.
We gonna do this? Let's do this! Cover me! Reloading!
Don't think this is gonna move itself.
There's too many to fight them all. Remember, securing the armory is your primary objective. We need those weapons.
Nice of you to lend us a hand. This is something for the diary. See that? Remember vacations?
Target the head. Reloading.
Hey, haven't got all day, you know.
Do that again and I'll whip your ass.
Come on, guys! I'm making cocktails! Or I would have had the ingredients.
So what do you guys do for fun?
Over there.
Ah! Disgusting!
Move it. Can't hold up in here forever.
This is not good. There's nothing left!